Hello. Yeah, I've decided to do this video blog thingy. Vlog lah, because to be honest, if I need to cover all my projects and they are like going at the normal project speed, then there's pretty much nothing to cover on my channel. And I think the best way to know a designer or know the person behind the designs is through the daily following of this person as we go along lah. So I'm going to start this whole vlogging vids. If you are keen or patient enough, or think what I have to offer is interesting enough, then you watch lah. If not, then you just go past now, don't need to watch. Then don't need to be nasty, don't need to pass comments, okay, whatever. Today I'm here again at my regular haunt. Why leh? Because I want to do my work, and I want to do my work in peace. But I have doubts about working in peace here lah, because every time I work, right, then I have my red wine, and then people will come and talk to me. Not pick up kind of hello, as in staff lah. So I am concerned about not getting the peace that I want, but it's better than working from home. And recently I'm having quite a dry state lah, not as in skin dry lah, my skin is also quite dry, but it's about my life, because by right I should be getting my break now, but work doesn't allow me to. I'm supposed to take a 1 month break, but as fate would have it, I cannot lah, because some projects are still ongoing, cannot end. Some projects are like need to start and then cannot wait. So I'm feeling quite bummed about it, but I mean it's a good problem lah, except for the 缠脚布 one. Okay, 缠脚布. What 缠脚布? I use 缠脚布 to describe projects that are never ending, okay, that goes on and on and on and on. Why 缠脚布? Because you know, last time people used to bind their legs until small, so that they walk, right, ting ting ting, this very dainty one. That is 缠脚, which means you use one piece of cloth to bind lah, bind until they're like this small. At first is your feet is like that one ma, but then this process, right, is very gross. They will break your bones inside, so that it's limpy. Then you bind the cloth, so that it's like just 3 inches only. The whole footprint is 3 inches only lah. And then when you walk, it's like that, because you need to balance ma, like 踩高跷 like that. You need to balance. Hence, you will walk very ladylike. So the 缠脚布, right, is the cloth that used to bind the 脚. It's very long and it stings. Because can you imagine, you bind your leg, then you walk around in that shoe and all that. Wow, whole day should sting one, right? So is the 布, 缠脚布, 又长又臭. Yeah, so that's the phrase that you use when you want to describe things that are draggy and unpleasant. So I try not to let my projects become 缠脚布, but sometimes because of situations, right, like we order things then haven't come, wait until second, yeah, then it becomes 缠脚布. So that's Chinese lesson for you. You don't need to pay me, pay me to teach you Chinese. Okay, so anyway, yeah, it's very irritating lah. It irritates me because I want to chop finish so that I can move on with a clean slate, a fresher mindset without being clouded by previous projects. Previous projects. So yeah, it's very frustrating. And then there are loose ends that I need to kill, and I hate to kill loose ends because it's like, ayo, you want to 速战速决, finish, then move on, finish, then move on. I don't like small things that I need to kill lah. But then, I'm 人在江湖, so 身不由己. So I today I'm here to kill things and then to possibly continue designing one of my latest projects. This latest project I'm very excited about because it's a walk-up apartment, okay, in Katong, and I love walk-up apartments. They have so much flavor, and if things go according to plan, and if client buys my proposal fully with minor tweaks, then I think the whole project will be super chill, okay? But then by right, if can like that, then good lah. If by left things don't go well, right, then you may not even get to see it. No lah, but then not all things that I don't, not all projects that I don't feature are not worthy of being featured. Sometimes I see clients prefer the privacy, hence, yeah, then I won't feature lah. Only for projects that are the clients are more game for all this, right, media exposure, then I'll feature a lot more. Yeah, so today, freaking hot day again. I will order my stuff and work. So hopefully by the end of the day, I can accomplish more, and then after that, I can go for proper dinner and proper drinks, minus the work. Then I'll be a happy person. Not happy lah, but happier. Yeah, so I try to show you some stuff that I'm doing later, okay? Bye.